So hey guys, so if you know, a couple days ago I listed the video about the recall that's affecting a lot of Honda and Acura products with the sensor in the passenger side seat. It can crack and then make the airbag not turn off if there's someone light enough. So let me go ahead and explain. There's something more serious about this. So the recall that just came out, if you haven't seen the other video or heard about it yet, affects almost 1 million vehicles, and it has to do with the passenger side seat. There's a sensor on the seat, and it can crack. And then if you have like a baby seat up there or an animal, it won't turn off the airbag like it's supposed to because it's not heavy enough. And then in the event of an accident, it can go off, and then that could be catastrophic. So what the bigger issue is with this thing is that Honda, and this affects all the vehicles here, and I just actually got this on my Acura Link, so mine's affected. I have to get fixed. But if you look at it, this is what comes up on your Acura Link or Honda Link. It'll show you that it's affected and it's not fixed. But here's the important part to look at. See this word right here, the words, the stop sell. So the reason this is a big deal is because, say you're trying to trade this car in that has this issue. You found something, you want to get something else, whatever the situation is, you won't be able to do that. A dealer cannot make any transactions with these cars, buy them from you, sell them to you until they're fixed. And then the problem with that is, as a lot of people are noticing when they call the dealers, is they don't have the parts yet for them, like every other recall that comes out. So that could be an issue if, say, right now you have a deal going, or next month you're gonna, say the interest rates drop, whatever the case is, and you want to get into a new car and you have a good deal set up. That's going to be the hurdle, that you can't get out of it at this point until it's fixed. Now, it's an easy fix. Of course, they just replace the sensor and you're on your way. But until those parts come available, and it could be a couple months, it could be 6 months. I've seen it half a year, or the 6 months before they even get parts, and then they're backlogged and all that kind of stuff. You have to make a appointment. But I just want to let you guys know, if you didn't know that, because a lot of people right now, tax time, they get some money back, whatever, they want to buy a car, trade yours in. If it's affected by it, you won't be able to. So they stop all transactions involving that car because it's a safety related issue. So you'll just have to wait and get it fixed. And like I said, that could be a bummer if you have a great deal set out and the car you want's there, everything you want, but you can't get out of this car yet. So that was new to me too. I didn't really know that before, but I looked into it, and then people were mentioning the same thing, that not only can a dealer not sell them, but they can't buy them from you as well. So again, I just want to point that out. I forgot that in the last video. That, like I said, it can be a big deal if you're in the market right now shopping. You'll have to hold off. So again, I just want to bring that to you just in case, like I said, I've been in the situation where I want to get a car, and when I found something I like, I want to get it right then. Well, this might give you a reason not to even shop it right now, because if you find something great, there's nothing you can do until these parts become available. So, call your dealer, see what they tell you. But everyone that's calling right now said it's at least a couple months out. So that could make a difference. So again, I just want to keep you guys in the loop on that one. Okay. Let me know if you guys' car is affected. Like I said, this just popped up 2 days ago on mine. So definitely have to go to the dealer and get that fixed. Definitely an inconvenience, but I'm going to try to do it when I get my oil changed. Hopefully by then they have the parts available so I can just do it one shot. So again, hope everyone's having a good day out there. Hope maybe that clarifies some information for you. I appreciate you guys' support like always, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.